Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Gauss-Seidel method. As we already know that Gauss-Seidel method works with the latest value, contrary to the Jacobi method which worked with the previous values. Iterative method for solving the system of linear equation. Here we are using the same as the Jacobi method, a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 equal to c1, and similarly c2 and c3. As we find the value of x1, x2 and x3 via the substitution method and the normal mathematics. Here we can find the x1 values by this equation and find the value of x2 by this equation and find the value of x3 by the equation using the simple and the normal mathematics. As we know that we are going to take the latest value. So in starting the same as the Jacobi method, we are taking the initial value x1, x2 and x3 as 0. And the latest value for x1 is here. By putting the value of x2 and x3 0, we find that x1 equal to a14 by c1. This after putting the value of x2 and x3 in 0 here. As we find the value of x1 as a14 by c1, so that when we try to find the value of x2, we already have the value of x1 as a14 by c1, a14 divided by c1 actually, and the previous value of x3 and x2 is 0, and in this way we can find the value of x2, and similarly by putting the value of x2 and x1 we can find the value of x3. Here we are using the latest value and the method is known as Gauss-Seidel method. It works with the latest values. So the problem is here, question is, using Gauss-Seidel iterative method we have to find the solution at which iteration number this method gets solved. The question number 4, and I already wrote the source code for the program. Here it is the source code for the same program. As we can see, the value of function y comma z is 17 minus y plus 2 multiplied by z in the whole bracket divided by 20, and the function f2 x comma z minus 18 minus 3 multiplied by x plus z divided by 20, and the function f3 x comma y 25 minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 into y divided by 20. I equal to 0 is a loop here, and the value of x is given as it is a use as print. The way we use printout in C, C++, at the printf in C, here the R language we use read line prompt, and this is the message that we print on the screen. Enter initial values, and this is the loop here while I is less than 10. Here the condition are I equal to I plus 1, x equal to f1, y comma z, y equal to f2, x comma z, and z equal to f3, x comma y. The condition for breaking here is only 1, and the condition is if and only if x is equal to 1 and at the same time y equal to minus point penta 97 and z equal to point penta 92, the program can break only. Here one thing is mentioned that we take the values because it is given in the question as same. Now we are going to run the program. As my program name is test14 dot test14 is my program name, and as it is written in the R language, its extension is .r. So here I am going to run it, and after pressing enter it asks for the initial values. So let's say giving it the value 0, and this is the result. The value I printed at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and after 10th iteration, and the result is 10. So thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead.